Hey, 7th graders, if you're watching this video, it's because you have a Bruce worksheet. There's going to be 3 examples real quick, and then I'm going to have you do 2 on your own on the bottom, and then on the back is a practice part question about a similar thing. It might not be the exact same, but you'll be able to figure it out. Example 1 says, Tina has a bag of marbles. 4 are red, 8 are blue, 6 are green. 6 are yellow, and 2 are green. We want to know what percent of the marbles are yellow. So what we're doing when we're finding percents. Percent is always a part over a whole. You can use the equation part equals percent times whole. I like to use that when you're looking for the part or the whole. When you're finding for the percent, I always know it's a fraction. It's part over the whole. So I'm going to find the whole first. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. I know there's a whole or a total amount of 20 marbles. My part is the color I'm looking for, which is 6. 6 out of 20. I want to know what this is as a percent. I like to see if I can solve it this way first. 6 out of 20. I know percents are always out of 100. So if I could figure out what is this equivalent to over 100, I can find my percent. I can go from 20 to 100 by multiplying times 5. So I will do the same thing on top. 6 times 5 gives me 30. 30 out of 100 is equal to 30%. There's our answer to problem 1. Example 2, we're going to use a similar strategy, but it's going to end up being a little bit different. So, number 2 says that there are 6 marbles that are red, 7 marbles that are blue, and 2 marbles that are yellow. What percent are red? Again, I'm going to do my part over my whole, and I'm going to write it as a fraction. Total, I have 6 plus 7, which is 13, plus 2. There's a total of 15 marbles. And my part is how many are red. There are 6. I want to use the same strategy. I know what it is over 15. I want to know what it would be out of 100. How do I go from 15 to 100? Well, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 85. Sorry, I did that one wrong. 15, 30, 45. 60, 75, 90, and then I would end up with 105. So 15 times nothing gets me 100. So then the next thing I want to try to do, if I can't multiply to get 100, I'm going to reduce this fraction. If I can't multiply, again, I'm going to simplify. I know that both of these are divisible by 3. So I'm going to do that. 6 divided by 3 would give me 2. 15 divided by 3 would give me 5. This is equivalent to 2/5. Now I want to check. Can I do 5 times anything to get to 100? Well, I know that's times 20, so I'll do the same thing on top. 2 times 20 is 40. 40 over 100 is equal to 40%. The last one, hopefully I don't embarrass myself with my skip counting skills by 15s. The last one is the third example, the third way to find it. So 1, you can just multiply across. The second way, you might have to reduce it and then multiply. And here's the third way. There is a bag of marbles, 4 red. 8 of them are blue and 3 are green. Again, I want to do my part over my whole. So I'm going to add these all up. 4 plus 8, 12, plus 3. I got a whole of 15 again. This time I want to know the amount that are blue. And the number of blue marbles is 8. 8 out of 15. Now, we tried this before. Does 15 times anything get us to 100? Nothing that works evenly. Can I simplify this fraction then? Is there anything we can divide both of these by? Nope, the 8 is even, 15 is odd. 15 is only divisible by 5 and 3, and 8's not divisible by either of those. If there's nothing that I can do to solve this problem, we get to use a calculator on a problem like this. So you can Google calculator and you'll be able to use it for the rest of the worksheet. If I don't know how to do this problem, then what I need to do is take my fraction and divide. 8 goes in the calculator first. 8 divided by 15. When you plug 8 divided by 15 into the calculator, you get this as an answer. All right. We know that we can make this into a percent by moving the decimal over twice. So this would be about 53.3%. Those are your 3 examples. You have 2 on your own, and then the back side of the worksheet. Good luck.